Welcome to Perfect English Academy. Subscribe to our channel.
This is random IELTS listening practice. It's not part of any book. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 12. At the end of this video, we will provide the answer. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 12.
IELTS listening practice, the history and future of libraries. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to explore the fascinating history of libraries and how they have changed over thousands of years. The earliest known libraries appeared in ancient Mesopotamia, where rulers collected thousands of clay tablets containing important records, stories, and laws. Instead of paper, many of these records were written on tablets, which were carefully baked to preserve the information for future generations. These early collections played an important role in protecting valuable knowledge and allowing future civilizations to learn from the past. Many centuries later, public libraries became more common. One important development was that some libraries were supported through taxes, allowing everyone in the local area to use them without paying a fee. These libraries offered valuable services to local communities, including reading rooms, educational programs, and access to newspapers. As collections continued to grow, librarians introduced improved systems for book classification, making it much easier for visitors to find the books they needed. In recent decades, technology has transformed libraries once again. Many institutions now provide digital collections, allowing users to borrow books, magazines, and research materials online. Libraries also organize community activities, including workshops, language classes, and cultural events that encourage lifelong learning. Modern buildings often include quiet study areas and creative spaces designed especially for students working on school or university projects. Looking ahead, experts believe libraries will continue to evolve. Artificial intelligence may help visitors locate information more quickly and receive personalized recommendations. Architects are also designing environmentally friendly buildings using sustainable materials to reduce energy consumption. Although technology will continue to change, libraries are expected to remain important centers for lifelong learning, bringing people together to discover knowledge, develop new skills, and share ideas with others.